Hi, I'm Moira, and I am here with an experiment. I'm taking this month to make a daily video that I will upload. They will essentially be live videos, they'll be very lightly edited. And this is my experiment to see what works. And if you have something in your legal practice that you don't love, that you would like to change, and it just feels huge. It feels like it's too much. It's going to take all this effort and it has to be done perfectly. I encourage you to consider doing an experiment just like this. What is the most minimal version of the thing that you think you want to do? Can you do that? Can you try that? Can you create an experiment for yourself? Have a hypothesis. What do you believe that this is going to achieve for you? And design the smallest, most minimal, most low effort experiment that you can imagine and do it. So, for me, in my practice, I would like to reach out to more people. So, this is the idea of marketing to cold audience. These are people who don't know me. Of course, this is also for those who do, but it's primarily to reach people that I haven't come in touch with before. And so the idea is that doing this experiment for the month of February will give me a lot of data. It'll give me data about one, how much do I enjoy this? Like, does this work for me? Do I feel comfortable in front of the camera? Do I feel comfortable speaking in this way? Do I actually reach people at all? Um, it also will allow me to get data back from what people watch, what they like to watch, what they want to know, what their questions are about what difficulties they're having in their law practice, or are most of you wanting to leave law, like exit your practice entirely? Are most of you wanting to downshift, to slow down, have a part time practice, maybe while you transition into something else, or maybe while you are taking a semi retirement? Do most of you want to create like a lifestyle law firm where you have a legal practice that is crafted around your life as opposed to you fitting your life into the crevices left by your practice? And so I encourage you to find an experiment you can do, something small, something easy, something that is limited, it's time bound, right? It is something that you will have data at the beginning and at the end so you can compare. And I encourage you to make part of that data um, observable, absolutely quantifiable, and some of it qualifiable. Like, how do you feel doing it? How, uh, you know, um, does it light you up? Does it give you energy for your day? The ideal way to build and change our practice is to do it in a way that lights us up. And if we feel lit up, we have more energy, more energy for our clients, more energy for our associates, more energy for our team. We are more able to do the work we're here in the world to do. And I think that this kind of change can be a little painful, right? Change is always a little difficult. But if you are designing your experiment in a way that brings a little joy into your day, it gives you that boost of energy to be able to continue to do. And so this is my experiment. I'd be interested to hear what your experiments are. And if you want to do something and you want to create an experiment, but you're not exactly sure how, or you're still stuck on, oh, it has to be this, it has to be huge, it has to be all, um, click the link below, contact me. We'll do a free consultation session and see if we can set you up with a tiny little experiment, something that you can do starting right now, this week, that will create a more profitable, more sustainable, more flexible legal practice. something that you truly love to do. And if you're lost and don't know what you want to do, like you don't even have an idea, everything needs to change. Let's talk about that too, because I think we can find the one thing, the one place to start that will be that domino that will create that momentum for change in your legal practice. So, thank you. Thank you for watching all the way through. Don't forget, click the link below if you want to make a free consultation. And I'm Moira. I'm a former IP attorney and legal practice manager, and I am now a consultant with Law Transformed, and we help you build a more flexible, profitable, and sustainable law firm. Thanks. Bye bye.